In the bustling world of fleet management, Jitter emerges as a beacon of innovation, offering a comprehensive mobile application and desktop solution to revolutionize how operators manage their assets. At the core of Jitter's mission lies a commitment to providing real-time insights and streamlining communication processes, allowing operators to communicate directly with their assets, ultimately enhancing efficiency and transparency across the board. Jitter understands the ubiquitous presence of mobile devices among truck drivers. They seized the opportunity to leverage these devices for transport logistics and documentation needs, paving the way for a seamless and efficient data capture process. In their quest for an optimal solution, Jitter turned to Anyline's VIN scanning technology. By automatically capturing the 17-character VIN with a phone camera, Anyline redefined data capture in the industry. Moreover, Anyline's extensive solution library in the automotive space aligned perfectly with Jitter's vision for long-term efficiency and growth. Josh Renault, founder of Jitter, added his perspective. The common denominator in transportation is a VIN. All vehicles and trailers have them. A VIN is linked to all kinds of valuable information, so it is critical that it can be captured easily and accurately. That's why we partnered with Anyline for their proven ability to scan VINs in all conditions.